YouTube? We are back with another banger video today, and today what I'm gonna be doing for myself is restoring my headlights. But unfortunately, we're not gonna do on these. We're gonna use these ones right here to show you guys the proper way how to do it. There's two ways of doing it. You can either clear coat it or you can just do a buff and polish. For today, we are gonna be doing that. I'm gonna show you guys the product that I'm using. Unfortunately, the AutoZone and O'Reilly I went to, they ran out of 1,500 grit. So what we have an 800 and a 2,000. Usually I recommend will be 800, start off from 800 to 1,500 to 2,000 and run it up to 3 if you guys want it to be more. But unfortunately there was no more. So what we got is our ultimate polish here from McGuire. These work super good. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use compound first and then hit it off with the polish. We're gonna be wet sanding the headlights. But if you guys don't have like a spray bottle or anything, what you can do, you can get a water bottle, poke a hole from the top air. You guys may not see it, but there's a hole, and just like that, simple and easy. So we're gonna wet sand these, and then we're gonna climb up to our high grit, and then from there we'll cut and buff it. First thing you want to do is apply water to your headlights. Apply it all around it. Yeah. Make sure you get your sandpaper and apply it on there too. Alright, now for the next step, you're just gonna sand it down. Not too hard, just lightly do it. And you can see that when it's working, when you see all these fuzzy, hazy stuff. Up and down. Sideways. You can see, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. As you can see, it starts to get hazy, which is a super good sign. The more hazy it is, the better. Because once you hit it with a compound and polish, it's gonna cut it out and make it look super clean. Now it's hazy, you're gonna do is you wipe it off. And like I said, if you guys see haziness, that's a good sign that you're doing the right thing. So I'm gonna wipe it off for you guys. This is how you know you're doing the right thing. So we're gonna keep hitting it with our 800, and then we're gonna hop into the 2,000, and from there we'll do a cut and polish. So we're gonna hit it with our, this is 2,000 right here. We're gonna hit it with 2,000. Same thing as we did as the 800. Was it 800? Yeah, I think it was the 800. Same thing. Wet that. Wet this. And go at it with the stronger grit now. So you wipe it down. Bam, bam. As you can see, it is hazy. That's a good sign. Very good. Means you're doing the right thing. You see. Alright, so now I'm gonna bring you guys outside where we're gonna polish it with the compound and polish. And I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So now you got the compound. Check that out. That which is from the compound. Alright, now we're gonna hit it. The polish. That'll be the final step. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is how it came out. It came out very good. We gotta focus a little bit. It came out very good for just just me hand polishing it myself. As you can see, the hatch these ones too, so we might have to do the hatch sooner or later. But what it came out of, 10 out of 10. If I would have a buffer, I think it would have come out way cleaner. But I use elbow grease and all that just to get it to come like this. So thank you guys for tuning in the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.